Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 28 vegetables that you can provide to your budgies, cockatiels and any other parrots. Vegetables contain several vitamins, minerals. Those are essential for birds, as well as dietary fiber, carbohydrates, antioxidant, water, etc. Birds easily digest vegetables and vegetables will boost up immunity system of the birds. This video will show you which vegetable contains which vitamins and minerals. Before serving vegetables to your birds, don't forget to clean them properly, as many farmers use pesticide and chemicals in cultivation of vegetables. Always remember, it's not necessary to boil the vegetables before providing them to your birds. It will reduce the nutrition value. You can serve vegetables as it is, or you can grate or chop it in small pieces before serving them to your birds. Let's move to the next part of the video, and if you are a budgie and cockatiel lover, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos on birds. Carrots, a good vegetable for birds. Pumpkin, birds love pumpkin too much. Yard-long bean, a good source of calcium. Green papaya, pretty much useful vegetable for birds. Cucumber, it could act like an electrolyte. Bean, bell pepper, also known as capsicum. Chili pepper, it's a good source of vitamin C. Cauliflower, okra, good vegetable source for calcium. Beetroot, a good source of potassium. Spiny gourd, drumstick, a vegetable full of different minerals. Broccoli, I wish I could serve this to my birds regularly. Snake gourd, bitter melon, sweet potato. Don't give it too much to your birds. Turnip, a good source of different vitamins. Cabbage, birds like cabbage a lot. Loofah, a well-known vegetable in Bangladesh. Pointed gourd, a famous vegetable in India and Bangladesh. Radish, there are many kinds of radish, all you can provide to your birds. Asparagus, green pea, beside vitamins and minerals, a good source of protein. Tomato, tomato is good, but tomato leaves are toxic to birds. Sponge gourd, baby corn, birds like baby corn so much. Besides these vegetables, you can also provide artichokes, Brussels sprout, celery, courgette, fennel, if you get those in your country. Potato leaves, tomato leaves and mushroom are harmful for birds. Never provide them to your birds. So now you have a lot of vegetables in your hand to provide your budgies. Make a rotation, give them new vegetables each day, and they will have them with a great joy, and your birds will be healthy and will fight against any disease. For a single budgie, it's enough to provide 15 grams vegetable each day. For a cockatiel, make the amount double. Viewer, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe my channel with bell icon. See you on my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.